Hello, my name is Jhennifer Velasquez. I am 34 years old. I live in the municipality of Anzoátegui, Tolima, with my husband and my daughters. I study business administration at UNAD. My hobbies are going to the farm to take care of me, garden and animals, being with my family and spending time with my daughters and husband. In my free time, I like to read, play with my daughters and cook. I plan to go on my next vacation to Cartagena. Um, my recipe, uh, barbecue wings. Uh, Wings ingredients: 500 grams of chicken wings, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half scoop glass of white wine, 2 tablespoons of honey, 120 millimeters orange juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half scoop teaspoon paprika, half scoop teaspoon garlic powder, half scoop teaspoon oregano, 300 millimeters vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste. Ingredients for sauce: half scoop of beer, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ground vanilla. Preparation. Step 1. Start. Put the wings in a pot and add the salt, pepper, honey, soy sauce, wine, garlic, oregano, paprika, olive oil, and orange juice. Step 2. Next, mix well and leave to marinate for at least 34 minutes in the fry. Step 3. Meanwhile, put the panela, the tomato and soy sauce, the vinegar, and the beer in a pot over high heat and stir constantly until it thickens and turn off the heat. Step 4. Then put a frying pan over high heat and add the oil. Step 5. When the oil is very hot, add the wings and wait for them to brown. Step 6. At the end, when the wings are ready, add them to the sauce and turn on the low heat for 5 minutes. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. Thank you.